Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suchi Bansal from Realtooth Dental Clinic. People usually complain of yellow color of their teeth, leading to loss of confidence, as we are generally very concerned about our teeth color. So here we are to give you back that confidence with a bright smile. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about the most effective method of teeth whitening, which is bleaching. Bleaching can either be done in the office, that is the dental clinic, or at home. We at Realtooth offer bleaching in the clinic. To begin with the process, we first do the professional cleaning of the teeth and then place a flexible lip and cheek retractor for proper access. Shade selection is done with a shade guide and the tooth surface is dried before beginning the process of bleaching. Once we are done with all these processes, we apply a thin and even layer of varnish on the tooth surface and leave it for 10 seconds to dry. For taking the effect, the varnish is left on the tooth surface for 10 minutes. Once it is dried, the dried layer is removed with the help of a probe. If any leftovers are there, we remove it with the air and water spray. The process can be repeated in 2 to 3 cycles per session. The number of sessions depends upon the shade required. The shade of the tooth takes few days to stabilize. We call the patient for follow-up visits to check for the results. As with any process, this too has few myths and misconceptions. Yes, there are minimal but temporary sensitivity that wears off in a day or two. The effects may not last forever, but it lasts for quite a long time if maintained well. If you like our video, please do not forget to visit Realtooth.